So here we have a Royal typewriter. Got a very nice green set of keys. They all look like they're in pretty good shape. It's a portable typewriter made in the USA. There's all the strikers there. It does appear to do multiple colored ink if you had that ribbon put in there. It looks like we just have black and red ribbon. That opens up for the ribbon to sit. It appears to be in pretty good shape. This spot here, this guard, looks a little wonky. It doesn't appear to affect anything. Buttons seem to work and everything. This side looks good. It is locked down into the case. You can unlock it just by pushing those. It'll lift out of the case. So let's give it a test here. Flip to black. There's that lovely. Pretty good considering this ink is probably the ribbon. Let's try to return. This thing is by no means in perfect shape, but it is a nice specimen. Let me go ahead and close the lid here. You can take a look at the case. Got the latch here will latch down. I do not have a key for it. That unlocks. It does have some marks. You can see here. Definitely has seen its age. Looks like a little bit of maybe water damage here. All the hinges look good. Not all rusty or like it's been sitting in a damp garage for years, but pretty nice typewriter. Thank you.